Oji, bueno. Oji, bueno. Oji, kwezwenu. The people of Umuoji in USA, under the aegis of Umuoji Improvement Union North America, cordially invite you to their 2025 National Convention. Theme: Building an ultra-modern medical complex in Umuoji, Anambra State, Nigeria. Date: Saturday, July 5, 2025 at 8 p.m. prompt. Venue: Igbo Catholic Church Community Center, 8250 Creekbend Drive, Houston, Texas. For further information, please contact the Planning Committee, Chief Ifeanyi Agwanono, National President, Mr. Olisemeko Okoye, National Publicity Secretary, Mr. Obiora Nnoli, Chairman, Houston Branch, Chief Osita Okoye, Chairman, Convention Planning Committee, Iyon Idiogo Stella Ofodile, Co-Chair, Convention Planning Committee, Mr. Ike Moralo, Secretary, Planning Committee, Mrs. Amaka Agina, Member, Mr. Obinna Izuora, Member, Chief Augustine Oko, Member, and members of the Houston Branch. Save the date for Umuoji Improvement Union North America Annual National Convention on Saturday, July 5, 2025 at 8 p.m. prompt. See you there.